Tuesday and 1C Latin will be dancing on the same floor half or 3/4 of 1/4 ng floor at yung 3 or 1/3 ng floor at yung 2/3 it will be used by our Youth C Latin. So adjudicators panel B and D, hatiin natin yung floor ng 3/4, mas marami doon sa kabila kasi konti, 3 and 6, okay? Thank you very much. And just hang on there for your second dance. Okay, we proceed now for your second dance couples, the rumba. Thank you very much.